everyone, I'm going to CVS. This is CVS 3919 Central Road, Shantley 20151. So this was the entrance and I just entered here and I'm here to buy medicine for my husband who is kind of sick, I can say, because of cold and coffee. The symptoms he's of having is severe congestion and cold and sore throat still there. So let's go to the blue section, kind of cold and cough medicine section. I think it's over here. So these are the specific symptoms. I told you that he is having cold and cough. Cold also has cough also started, and then severe throat and congestion is still there, like stuffy nose always. And this is from the last 2-3 days it's happening. He was having medicine at home, but it's almost done. It's all done, so I'm here to buy the next new medicine. So these are the specific symptoms. It's for my husband. This is not a regular trip. This is one-off trip, and I'm here to buy only one medicine. And then I'm going to show and tell. This is the whole, I think, whole section. So and this is adult whole section. So brands, there are different brands are here. So the most popular brand in my home, like our city, is Robitussin, and then Decol, Nyquil, and the Mucinex also I tried, but didn't find it very helpful, so I switched immediately. So Robitussin is very helpful. It is strong medicine, and then I can say that we can do it. We can be quick. We can be feel well very quickly. I just finished this one, Dayquil, Nyquil. I had this peer pack in my home, which is night and day. It is also on deal right now. So this one my husband done. Nyquil is still there, a small portion, but Dayquil is all done. So I'm thinking about Robitussin this time. It's also on deal for 99. So this is I use only 2 or 3 brands in medicine. Like if this one is not available, the other one. So, and I never tried CVS brand in medicine. So these are the brands I generally use because they are very helpful. Nobody recommends this thing. This is my own experience, but because these are all over the counter medicine, so we tried this and that medicine in the initial time, and then whichever set properly, like we found it very helpful, and we get so quickly recovered. So then I thought next time we will continue with these medicines. So my experience in finding the product is kind of positive, and it's already mentioned all the aisles over there, so I found it very quickly. So I can say positive experience in finding the product. Assortment of the product is also wonderful, because if we say the cold and cough, that is all cold and cough. If we say painkiller, is all painkiller. All the medicines are properly stored according to their brands and all. Okay, as I walk through this section, I can tell you that how the products are properly organized. You can see so many yellow stickers, so these ones, which means these are heavy deals over here. Dayquil and Nyquil has it went something different, something new. Okay. So as I walk through the section, it's properly organized store, properly all the items are sitting on the shelves, and then the layout and organization is also I can say wonderful, because it's a proper premium store and medicine store. So layout and organization, like I can find the products easily. This shows that all the products are standing according to the category, brand, size, and the illness. So positive experience. Buying product, yes, I'm buying that Robitussin, and it is on deal right now. This is honey flavored. I think they introduced one more. This one is honey with elderberry. So this is a new flavor, but I'm not trying this thing right now. I'm going with my own previous stuff just because I had good experience with this one. This is called chest congestion TM, and then thin and loosen mucus. This is honey water. It's quite attractive color and the proper instructions are there. It's saying this is adult. So this is maximum strength and it's 8 ounce. Proper wood and honey flavor is awesome, always welcome. This is made with real honey. So this is $12.49 after deal. So I'm going to buy this medicine for my husband who is having cold and cough congestion, and then sore throat, and too much congestion is the most important because he is having so much stuffy nose, and I'm feeling bad for him, but that's why I'm buying this medicine, and it's quick relief and then very effective and really helpful. Thank you so much.